Hey everyone, it's Erin here. I'm back with another video. So I went to Dollar Tree today. I was on the hunt for Valentine themed items that could be used in snail mail, happy mail, to your pen pals, swapping buddies, just little flat things that we all like to include in our mail. And so I thought I'd do a quick video and show you guys everything that I found. To start off with, they have a ton of stickers. And there's a lot that I did not pick up, but I thought these were very cute. They're kind of dimensional. I also picked these up. It has several sheets in one pack. You guys, they have scented stickers. These are scented, like scratch and sniff. They also had these and these. How cute are those? I also found these kind of kawaii looking food stickers. Very cute. So animals. And then I picked up a couple packs of just Valentine hearts. And each of these are only $1 at Dollar Tree. I also found these cute heart-shaped Valentine's Day notepads. You get 8 in a package. I thought those would be cute to include in Valentine themed Happy Mail. These are felt stickers. They have a cute little gemstone in the middle. I also picked up some Valentine ribbon. They have other patterns to choose from. These are just what I chose. Red hearts and these little pink shiny hearts. Found a package of Valentine stampers. Now these would be cute to even just decorate your mail. And you get 8 of these in a pack also for $1. I found these scented mini sticker books. There are 75 stickers in each book. They're scratch and sniff. They smell really good. You get 6 little sticker pads in a package for only $1. Get those 3 and those 3. I also picked up some glitter foam hearts. Like, who doesn't love glitter foam hearts? Then I did grab a package of red heart doilies. These are cute to decorate your envelopes, or if you're making flip books, pocket letters, things like that. These are very cute to add on there. I found these memo books. These are like just little notebooks. They come with a pen. I got this one. This has gold. Then there's also this one that's just like it, but it has silver. And then this one has a big gold heart, and they did have a couple others. These are the ones that I picked out. I found this package of little Valentine ballpoint pens. Now, I've seen the pencils like these, but I've never seen the pens, so I was very excited about these. These are small, as you can see. They're not much bigger than my finger, but that makes them even cuter, and they're great to put in with Valentine themed snail mail. And then, of course, I also had to grab a bag of Valentine candy, because what is Valentine snail mail without any Valentine candy? These are Russell Stover strawberry cream. I'm not sure how many are in here. It says 2.95 ounces. It feels like there's quite a few in the bag for only $1, so I thought that was a good deal. Anyways, this is what I found today at Dollar Tree. These are all very great items to include in Valentine themed Happy Mail, Snail Mail, just include with goodies to your pen pal. So I just wanted to show you guys, if you are ever on the hunt for items to put in with Happy Mail or Snail Mail, always check Dollar Tree. You can always find something cute, semi-flat, usable pretty much every holiday. And of course, you cannot beat $1. You know what I'm saying? So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you guys the things that I found for snail mail today at Dollar Tree. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you made it clear to the end of this video and you are a member of the Snail Mailers R Us group on Facebook, comment down below and tell me what you love about Valentine's Day. I will be randomly selecting members that do leave a comment under this video to receive some Valentine themed Happy Mail from me. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.